why I started learning Elixir and why I want to stick towards learning the programming language. So it's going to be very short, but quite interesting. So stay tuned. Yeah, started learning Elixir when I got a job as an Elixir developer. But let's do a rewind. Before I got the job, I was currently an React developer. I've been coding for over a year plus before I got the job, and I didn't even get any contracts or jobs coding at React. It's mostly freelance job, maybe very, very, very low pay, where they'll tell you they can pay you 20k, 30k to build a whole functional programming language, or they'll be saying a very ridiculous price, and it makes you start doubting yourself what as a developer, that am I really putting my effort here, what's happening, and everything like that. So then I got to a point I was done with coding. I was frustrated. I wanted to quit coding for good and dive into sales. Yeah, dive into sales marketing, because I've worked as a marketer before, and I just wanted to quit. Like, the thought of quitting was very, very, very prioritized then in my list, and I stopped telling people I was looking for a job as a developer. I started going to Indeed to stop looking for developer jobs. I started looking for sales, any work. Like, I was in really, really in need of money then, and I was just ready to do any work, like literally anything apart from coding. I stopped coding every single day, because then I code every day. I stopped coding every single day, and funny thing was that I code with my tab. So I stopped coding every day. I stopped even trying to on my tab, most time being on my phone, scrolling online, looking for other jobs apart from coding. I even literally stopped telling my friends to look for coding work for me, because I was just done with the idea of like putting so much effort into something, and it wasn't even, to me, it wasn't yielding any profit or going anywhere. So at that point in time, when I got a job as an Elixir, I was already on my, should I say, my deal breaker. Yeah, I was already on this point where I just wanted to drop everything, and I got this work with Figures, and they use Elixir, a programming language I have never heard of. Yeah, I've heard of Ruby, I've heard of Golang, but not definitely Elixir. Then I started wondering, like, I have been doing something for a very long time, and I didn't get a job in it, and now they're bringing a new programming language. Can I cope? Like, I started doubting myself at that point as a developer. But when I spoke to their CTO, Mr. George, he had so much confidence in me that it scares me. Like, I was really scared. Like, how could somebody have so much confidence in you, just talking to you in one day, and like, I don't know, Joma, he asked me basic questions about coding, and I was able to answer him. Then he gave me a project and said, build this. And because he had so much confidence in me, I didn't want to let him down. I didn't want to let him down at that point in time. So I picked up that work and started coding in it, trying to like at least put my best to be successful at delivering the project. And funny enough was that I didn't complete it. Sorry, I need to plug my system is down. I didn't complete the project, so I was like, oh, bye bye to this job. Like, these people are not even gonna give me this job. No way. I didn't even complete this I didn't complete this task they asked me to do. I didn't even complete this testing to show. Like, there was no way. And at that point in time, I've already lost hope in the job. I'm like, okay, back to looking for more work to do. But funny enough, the child called me that day, and she spoke so keen and so nice, and I was just like, really, I was shocked, and at the same time I was dumbfounded. Like, why would you people want to give a job to someone that has zero experience in a language? I think they saw more in me at that point in time than I even saw in myself. So let's fast forward to today. Yeah, that's then I got to learn the programming language, and by learning it, saw how dynamic it was. They even said it here. It is dynamic functional programming language for building scalable and maintaining application. Indeed, it was dynamic. Like it gives you this flexibility to become a full stack developer if you are ready to put in the work. Like every single day, Elixir push my button. I don't think anybody I would date in the future can push my button the way Elixir has pushed it in various ways. It has made me to keep striving, to keep going. It has made me see what is in myself, and it made me see more like I am more than I thought I am. Like I could do more if I just put in the work. And I guess I just want to keep on putting the work, because now I see myself in a different light from when I started. I'm moving forward to learn more, to become an expert in the programming language, and not just become an expert in the programming language, but to become an expert as a full stack developer, and to know everything aside from coding, to build my other soft skills level, to improve myself daily. I'm on a mission drive to keep driving, to keep growing. Like every single day I want to see one additional thing I have done in my life, like what additional thing I have added. So in my next video, I'm going to explain how to install Elixir, but this time around we are not going to be using MacBook Pro, we are not using Windows, we are going to be using Ubuntu and ASDF. So watch out for the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you.